Hello friends, today we are learning dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago. Let's see them. Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is Tyrannosaurus Rex. It is big and very strong.
Wow, look how happy he is. He's so cute, he's happy.
Triceratops. This is Triceratops. It has 3 big horns.
Wow, look at that cute dinosaur.
Hi, dinosaur, wave back.
Hello, friends.
This is Velociraptor. It is fast and smart.
Look, sweetie, a cute Velociraptor.
Wow, so guys, so cool.
Stegosaurus. This is Stegosaurus. It has plates on its back.
Wow, so pretty.
Yes, very pretty. You can touch gently.
Soft, he likes it.
Brachiosaurus. This is Brachiosaurus. It has a very long neck. Spinosaurus. This is Spinosaurus. It has a sail on its back.
Look at the cute dino.
He's Lashmore. He's so hot.
Ankylosaurus. This is Ankylosaurus. It has a hard body and tail club.
Let's see what's over there, little one.
Wow, Mommy, look at the big trees. They are magnificent.
Pterodactyl. It can fly in the sky.
Oh, look, a pterodactyl.
Wow, okay.
Parasaurolophus. This is Parasaurolophus. It has a long crest on its head.
Wow, Mommy, look. It's so cute. It is. Quick, take a picture. Got it.
Allosaurus. This is Allosaurus. It is a strong meat eater.
Oh, what a cute roar.
Again, Dino. Okay.
Diplodocus. This is Diplodocus. It has a long neck and tail.
This way, little one. The best leaves are ahead.
These are tasty.
Iguanodon. This is Iguanodon. It has a thumb spike.
Wow, Mommy, look at the flowers.
Yes, they're beautiful, sweetie. Beach.
I love exploring with you.
Carnotaurus. This is Carnotaurus. It has 2 small horns.
Whee, this is so fun. You're doing great, sweetie. Yay! Go.
Pachycephalosaurus. This is Pachycephalosaurus. It has a thick, hard head.
You're so cute. I'm a dino.
You two are adorable.
Gallimimus. This is Gallimimus. It runs very fast.
Keep up, little one.
I'm trying, Mommy.
We're almost there.
Yay!
Compsognathus. It is small and quick.
Mommy, look! A tiny dinosaur.
Oh, how cute. Hello there.
Can I pet it?
Therizinosaurus. This is Therizinosaurus. It has very long claws. Oviraptor. This is Oviraptor. It takes care of eggs. Microraptor. This is Microraptor. It is small and can glide.
Wow, look at that gliding dinosaur.
Since I want to fly too.
Giganotosaurus. This is Giganotosaurus. It is huge and powerful.
Advancesaurus.
That's okay. I've got you.
Yay, hug.
Dinosaurs are amazing. Which dinosaur do you like the most? See you in the next fun video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye bye friends. See you in the next fun video.